Welcome to my channel US Quarter Dollar. What if I told you that an old Eisenhower $1 coin sitting quietly in your drawer could be worth more than your monthly income? Most people ignore these coins every day, but collectors are secretly paying huge money for the rare ones. Before you spend that $1 coin, watch this, because you might be holding a hidden treasure. Some rare Eisenhower dollars have sold for hundreds, even thousands, depending on small details you can easily miss. Don't make the mistake of spending a coin that could be worth big money. Stay with me, because I'm about to reveal exactly what to look for and how to identify these rare Eisenhower $1 coins. Make sure you check your coins carefully after watching this video. Like, share, and comment below if you found something interesting. Thanks with love for watching. Coin 1. Today we are going deeper than ever into one of the most misunderstood coins in American history, the 1979 D. Susan B. Anthony $1 coin. And this is not just another coin video, this is something every collector and even every beginner needs to watch carefully, because what looks ordinary might actually be hiding real value. Picture this: you are going through an old drawer, a box of coins, or maybe something passed down in your family, and you find a small golden toned coin that looks almost like a quarter. You might ignore it, you might even spend it without thinking twice. But what if that simple decision made you lose something valuable? The Susan B. Anthony dollar was introduced in 1979 as the first U.S. coin to feature a real woman, and it was meant to replace the larger Eisenhower dollar. But people did not accept it easily because it was too similar in size to a quarter, and that confusion caused low circulation, and millions of coins were stored away, forgotten and untouched for decades. Now here is where the story becomes exciting. The 1979 D mint mark means it was struck in Denver, and while a large number were produced, only a fraction of those coins survived in collectible condition, and even fewer have the rare features that collectors are searching for today. Most people think old coins automatically become valuable, but that is not true. What really matters is rarity, condition, and unique minting errors, and the 1979 D. Susan B. Anthony coin has all three possibilities if you know where to look. Start with the surface of the coin, hold it under light and slowly tilt it. If the coin still has a bright luster, smooth texture, and no major scratches, then you might already be holding something better than average. Coins that look fresh and untouched are always in higher demand. Now move your focus to the details of the design. Look closely at the portrait of Susan B. Anthony, especially the hair and facial lines. If these details are sharp and clearly visible, your coin could fall into a higher grade category, which directly increases its value. Flip the coin and check the eagle on the reverse side. Notice the wings, the feathers, and the clarity of the design. Weak or faded details usually mean lower value, but strong, bold features are what collectors love. But the real treasure hunt begins when you start searching for minting errors, and this is where patience pays off. Look carefully at the date 1979 and the small D mint mark below it. If you notice any doubling effect where the numbers or letters appear slightly duplicated, this could be a double die error, one of the most popular and valuable types of errors in coin collecting. Another thing to watch for is misalignment. If part of the design looks shifted or not perfectly centered, your coin might be an off-center strike, and these coins are highly collectible because no two are exactly the same. Also check for die cracks. These appear as thin raised lines on the coin surface and are caused by damaged dies during the minting process. While some cracks are minor, others can be dramatic and increase the uniqueness of the coin. Now here is something many collectors overlook: the rim and edge of the coin. Run your finger gently along the edge. If you notice anything unusual like uneven thickness or slight deformities, it could be another sign of a minting error. There are also coins with filled dies where certain letters or numbers appear incomplete or faded because debris blocked the design during striking. These small imperfections can sometimes turn into big value depending on rarity, and here is the most important part: most of these rare coins are still out there, hidden in collections, jars, or even circulation, because people simply do not know what to look for. Imagine the excitement of finding a coin that others ignored but turns out to be a rare collectible. This is why coin hunting is so addictive and why collectors keep searching every single day. The 1979 D. Susan B. Anthony dollar is a perfect example of how an everyday coin can become something special with the right combination of condition and error features. Many collectors across the United States are actively searching for high-grade examples of this coin, especially those with clean surfaces, strong strikes, and minimal contact marks, because these coins are becoming harder to find over time. And as more people start paying attention to Susan B. Anthony dollars, the demand continues to grow, slowly pushing values higher for the best examples. So the next Time you come across this coin, do not rush, take a closer look, examine every detail and give it the attention it deserves, because you might be holding more than just $1. Now let's talk about what this coin is actually worth in today's market. A regular circulated 1979 D. Susan B. Anthony dollar typically sells for around $1 to $3 depending on its condition. Coins in uncirculated condition with strong details and original shine can sell for around $10 to $50, while high grade certified examples can reach $100 to $300, and rare error coins or exceptional condition pieces have been known to sell at auction for over $1,000. If you enjoyed this deep dive into rare coins, make sure you like, share and comment, and tell me what coin you want me to explore next. Thanks. With love for Coin 2. We are uncovering a coin that many people have seen but very few truly understand, the 1971 D. Eisenhower $1 coin, and this might be one of the most underrated coins, hiding real value in plain sight. Imagine holding a large heavy dollar coin that feels different from modern coins. Something about it already tells you it belongs to another era. But what if I told you that some of these coins are not just historical? They can actually be worth far more than $1. The Eisenhower Dollar was first introduced in 1971 to honor President Dwight D. Eisenhower and also celebrate the Apollo 11 moon landing, and that is why you see the bold portrait on the front and the powerful eagle landing on the moon on the reverse side. This design alone makes the coin special, but the real story begins with the details. Most people never notice the 1971 D mint mark means this coin was produced in Denver, and while millions were minted, the majority entered circulation and experienced wear over time, leaving only a limited number in high-grade collectible condition today. Now here is where things get exciting. Not every 1971 D. Eisenhower coin is valuable, but certain rare features can instantly turn it into a collector's prize, and if you know what to look for, you might already have one without realizing it. Start by examining the overall condition of the coin. This is the first and most important factor. Coins with strong shine, minimal scratches and sharp details are always more valuable, especially for large coins like Eisenhower dollars, which were prone to heavy contact marks. Look closely at Eisenhower's portrait. Pay attention to the hair above the ear and the cheek area. If these details appear bold and well defined, your coin could fall into a higher grade category, which collectors are always hunting for. Now flip the coin and study the eagle on the moon. Check the feathers, the wings and the clarity of the earth in the background. Coins with crisp details and strong strikes stand out immediately compared to weak or worn examples, but the real treasure comes from minting errors, and this is where patience and attention can reward you big time. Focus on the lettering and numbers, especially the date and the word Liberty. If you notice doubling where the letters look slightly shadowed or duplicated, this could be a double die error, one of the most desirable features among collectors. Another rare and valuable error is a clipped planchet, where a portion of the coin appears to be missing due to a mistake during the cutting process. These coins are instantly recognizable and highly collectible. Also watch for off-center strikes where the design is not perfectly aligned. This type of error creates a unique appearance, and no two coins are exactly the same, making them very attractive to collectors. There are also coins with die cracks visible as raised lines across the surface. These occur when the minting die begins to break, and although some cracks are small, others can be dramatic and add character and value to the coin. One more detail many people miss is the surface texture. Some 1971 D. Eisenhower coins were poorly struck, resulting in weak details, especially on the reverse side. These variations are known among collectors, and certain examples are more desirable than others. And here is something truly interesting: because of the size and weight of Eisenhower dollars, many were stored away rather than used daily, which means hidden collections still exist and valuable coins are still waiting to be discovered. Think about that for a moment. A coin sitting quietly in an old collection box could actually be worth far more than its face value, and most people would never even check. This is why coin collecting is not just a hobby, it is a treasure hunt where knowledge gives you the advantage. The 1971 D. Eisenhower dollar represents the beginning of a short-lived series, making it historically important, and when you combine that with rare errors and high-grade condition, you get a coin that collectors are constantly searching for. Across the United States, more and more collectors are paying attention to these coins, especially as high-quality examples become harder to find over time and demand continues to grow steadily. So before you ignore that big dollar coin, take a closer look, check every detail under good light and compare it carefully, because the difference between an ordinary coin and a valuable one often comes down to the smallest details. Now let's talk about Value in today's market: a regular circulated 1971 Eisenhower $1 coin usually sells for around $1 to $5 depending on condition. Uncirculated coins with better detail and shine can sell for around $20 to $70. High-grade certified examples can reach $150 to $400, and rare error coins or exceptional condition pieces have been known to sell at auction for over $2,000. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about rare and valuable coins, make sure you like, share and comment below and tell me what coin you want to see next. Thanks with love for watching. Coin 3. We are about to reveal the hidden story behind a coin that most people never look at twice but collectors quietly search for every single day: the 1972 Eisenhower $1 coin. And this might be one of the most surprising discoveries you can make in your own collection. Think about this for a moment. How many times have you seen a big heavy $1 coin and ignored it, or maybe even spent it without thinking, what if that exact coin had something rare about it, something that could turn a simple dollar into a valuable collectible? The Eisenhower Dollar series began in 1971, but by 1972 the mint had already started producing coins in large numbers, and the Denver Mint, marked with a small d, created millions of these coins for circulation. However, not all of them are the same, and that is where the real story begins. At first glance, the 1972 Eisenhower Dollar looks bold and powerful, featuring President Dwight D. Eisenhower on the front and the famous eagle landing on the moon on the back, a design that connects American history with the achievement of space exploration. But beyond the design, there are hidden details that can completely change the value of this coin. Most of these coins were heavily used in circulation, which means finding one in excellent condition today is not easy. Coins with clean surfaces, strong shine and minimal marks are already more valuable than average examples, and collectors are always searching for the best preserved pieces. Start by checking the portrait of Eisenhower. Look closely at the hairlines above the ear and the cheek area. If the details are sharp and not worn down, your coin could be in a higher grade category, which immediately increases its desirability. Now flip the coin and examine the reverse side. Focus on the eagle, the feathers and the details of the earth in the background. Coins with strong clear strikes stand out and are much harder to find compared to weakly struck examples. But what really makes the 1972 Eisenhower Dollar exciting is the possibility of mint errors and unique variations. These are the details that turn an ordinary coin into something collectors are willing to pay serious money for. Look closely at the date and lettering. If you notice a doubling effect where the numbers or letters appear slightly duplicated, this could be a double die error, and these coins are always in demand because they are rare and visually noticeable. Another feature to watch for is an off-center strike where the design is not perfectly aligned. This type of error creates a unique appearance, and each coin is different, making it highly collectible. You should also check for clipped planchets where a part of the coin is missing due to a mistake during the cutting process. These coins are easy to spot and can carry strong value depending on how dramatic the clip is. Die cracks are another important detail. These appear as raised lines across the surface of the coin and are caused by worn or damaged dies, while small cracks are common. Larger and more visible ones can increase the uniqueness and interest of the coin. Now here is something many people do not realize: some 1972 Eisenhower dollars are known for strike quality issues, meaning certain areas of the design may appear weak or flat, and collectors often compare these differences carefully to identify better examples. Also pay attention to the rim of the coin. If it appears uneven or slightly distorted, it could be another sign of a minting error that adds to the coin's rarity. What makes this coin even more interesting is the fact that many Eisenhower dollars were stored away in collections rather than used daily, which means valuable coins could still be hidden in old boxes, coin albums or inherited collections waiting to be discovered. Imagine going through your coins and finding one that looks ordinary but has a rare feature that others miss. This is the thrill that keeps collectors searching and learning every single day. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar may not look rare at first, but when you understand what to look for, it becomes a completely different story, one filled with hidden value and opportunity. Collectors across the United States are paying closer attention to these coins, especially high-grade examples and error coins, because as time passes, fewer quality pieces remain available and demand slowly continues to grow. So before you overlook that large dollar coin again, take a closer look, examine every detail under good lighting and compare it carefully, because sometimes the smallest difference can mean the biggest reward. Now let's talk about value in today's market. A regular circulated 1972 Eisenhower $1 coin usually sells for around $1 to $5 depending on condition. Uncirculated coins with better luster and detail can sell for around $20 to $80. High-grade certified examples can reach $150 to $500. $100 and rare error coins or exceptional condition pieces have been known to sell at auction for over $3,000. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and comment below and tell me which coin you want to learn about next. Thanks with love for watching. Coin 4. We are uncovering another hidden gem that many people overlook without even realizing its true potential: the 1974 Eisenhower $1 coin. And this coin may look ordinary at first glance, but once you understand its secrets you will never see it the same way again. Imagine holding a large heavy coin from the 1970s, a time when the United States was changing rapidly and coins like this were part of everyday life. Now fast forward to today and these same coins are being searched by collectors across the country, not for their face value but for the rare details hidden within them. The 1974 mint mark tells us this coin was struck in Denver, and while millions were produced, the majority entered circulation and picked up mark scratches and wear over time, leaving only a limited number in collectible condition today. And that is where the opportunity begins. At first the design captures attention, with the strong portrait of President Dwight D. Eisenhower on the front and the powerful image of an eagle landing on the moon on the reverse side, symbolizing one of the greatest achievements in American history. But beyond this iconic design lies a deeper story that most people never notice. Condition is the first key factor when it comes to value. Coins that still have original luster, smooth surfaces and strong details are far more desirable than heavily worn examples. Eisenhower dollars are known for getting bag marks easily, so finding a clean one is already a big advantage. Take a closer look at the portrait. Focus on the hair details above the ear and the cheek area. If these areas appear sharp and not flattened, your coin could fall into a higher grade category, which collectors are always looking for. Now turn the coin over and examine the eagle. Look closely at the feathers, the wings and the clarity of the earth in the background. Coins with crisp details and bold strikes stand out immediately and are much harder to find, but the real excitement begins when you start searching for rare minting errors, because this is where a simple coin can turn into something extraordinary. Look carefully at the date and lettering. If you notice any signs of doubling where the numbers or letters appear slightly duplicated, this could be a double die error, and these coins are highly sought after by collectors. Another valuable feature is an off-center strike where the design is not properly aligned. This creates a unique appearance and each coin becomes one of a kind, which increases its appeal and value. Clipped planchets are another type of error to watch for, where a portion of the coin is missing due to a mistake during the cutting process. These coins are instantly noticeable and can be worth significantly more. You should also check for die cracks, which appear as raised lines across the surface of the coin. These are caused by damaged dies, and while some are small, others can be dramatic and add to the coin's uniqueness. There are also cases of filled die errors where parts of the design look weak or incomplete because debris blocked the die during minting. These small imperfections can sometimes make a coin more interesting to collectors. Now here is something that makes the 1974 Eisenhower dollar even more fascinating. During this time period the mint was still improving strike quality, and as a result some coins show weak details, especially on the reverse side. Collectors often compare these differences and pay more for coins with stronger strikes. Also pay attention to the rim of the coin. If it appears uneven, thicker in some areas, or slightly distorted, it could indicate another type of minting error that adds to the rarity. What makes this coin truly exciting is the fact that many of them were stored away in old collections, coin albums, or even forgotten boxes, which means valuable examples could still be out there waiting to be discovered by someone who knows what to look for. Think about the possibility of finding a coin in your possession that looks completely normal but actually has a rare feature that collectors are searching for. This is what makes coin collecting so rewarding and addictive. The 1974 Eisenhower dollar is not just a piece of metal, it is a part of history, and for collectors it represents a chance to find something unique, something rare and something valuable. Across the United States, collectors are paying more attention to Eisenhower dollars, especially high-grade coins and rare error pieces, because as time passes fewer quality examples remain available and demand continues to grow steadily. So before you ignore that large dollar coin again, take a moment to inspect it carefully. Use good lighting, look at every detail and compare it closely, because sometimes the smallest difference can lead to the biggest discovery. Now let's talk about value in today's market. A regular circulated 1974 Eisenhower $1 coin usually sells for around $1 to $5 depending on condition. Uncirculated coins with strong Luster and fewer marks can sell for around $20 to $90. High-grade certified examples can reach $150 to $600, and rare error coins or exceptional condition pieces have been known to sell at auction for over $3,500. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about rare and valuable coins, make sure you like, share and comment below and tell me which coin you want to explore next. Thanks with love for watching.